And welcome to my YouTube channel Excel chapter 5 graded mid level 1 Mountain View Reality. So click the continue. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel chapter 5 graded mid-level 1 Mountain View Reality Exp25 Excel chapter 5 ML1 Real Estate. So click the download the materials and download the all files. So go to the downloads, open the Word file and open the Excel file. Click the enable editing. So open the Excel file, click the enable editing. So assignment title is Exp25 Excel chapter 5 ML1 Real Estate, and we move to the main project step. So total step is 17. So assignment title is Exp25 Excel chapter 5 ML1 Real Estate, and we move to the main project step. So step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel chapter 5 ML1 Real Estate, and grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Exp25 Excel chapter 5 ML1 Real Estate. So next is we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is, so you are about ready to subtotal the data. First you will sort the data in the cell subtotal worksheet. Sort the list by city in alphabetical orders, and then by selling agent in alphabetical orders, and finally by listening date or the oldest to newest in the sale subtotal worksheet. So go to the Excel worksheet and sale subtotal worksheet, and next is sort the list by city. So go to the data tabs and go to the sort and filter groups, click the sort. So next is sort the list by city, sort the list by city. So next is sort the list by city in alphabetical orders, and then by selling agent in alphabetical orders, and at the level is the selling agent in alphabetical orders, and finally by the listening date, and at the third level is by listening date orders to newest, and click OK. So question number 2 is complete, and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is you want to display the subtotal for 3 columns. To analyze the average and use the subtotal tool to calculate the average selling price, percentage of asking price and days on market by city. Ensure that the summary below the data and check both are selected and click or selected and click OK. So next is use the subtotal. So use the subtotal tool to calculate the average selling price, percentage of asking price and days on market by city. Ensure that the summary below data checkbox are selected and then click OK. So next is use the subtotal tool. So go to the data types, and next is go to the outline groups and click the subtotal. So open the subtotal dialog box, and next is at each change in city, and next is use the sum function to average, and next is selling price and percentage of asking price and days on market. So select the selling price, percentage of asking price, and days on market, and selected it. Ensure that the summary below so days on market by city, and ensure the summary below data, and then click or select it and click OK, and click OK. So question number 3 is complete. So outline, and next is city average, and selling price, percentage of asking price, and days on market, and click OK. So question number 3 is complete. And then click OK or select it OK. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is next you will apply an auto outline so that you can collapse and expand a column, group the data using the auto outline feature, and collapse the outline to hide the listening date and sale date column, and click or select to outline sample to display the grand average and city average row only. So next is group the data auto outline feature and collapse the outline, hide the listening date and sale dates column, and click or select the outline sample to display the grand average and city average only. So next is go to the data tabs, and next is go to the outline groups and click the subtotal and click the auto outlines and click OK. So auto outline, and next is auto collapse the outline to hide the listening date and sale date column. So listening date and sale date column, and next is click or select the outline sample to display the grand average and city average row only. So collapse the button, sample display the grand average and city average row only. So next is so collapse the button, days on market and percentage of asking price and city. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is now you are ready to format the data and set up print area or selections, and next is print portion of the worksheet and format the average days on marquee number with the 0 decimal places and apply the wrap text inside G1 and J1 and set the print area of the range C1 to J88. So now you are ready to format the data set a print area to print only and format the average days on marquee number with the 0 decimal places and apply the wrap text in cell G1, J1 and set the print area C1 and J88. So select the days on market and next is average the days on markets number with the 0 decimal places and apply the number format with the 0 decimal places. Go to the home tabs, click the number and 0 decimal places and click OK. So next is number format and 0 decimal places. And next is apply the wrap text in cell G1. So select the G1 is wrap text and next is select the J1 is wrap text and set the print area C1 to J88. So copy the range and next is paste the range, press enter. So select the range and set the print area. So go to the payload tabs and go to the page setup group and set the print area. So question number 5 is complete and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is select the individually column G and J and change the column to weight to 10 and change the row height to 24 in the first row. So select the column G and J. So select the column G and J and change the column with this 10. So select the column G, right click and click the column with this 10 and click OK. And next is select the column J to column with this 10. Select the column J, right click and column with this 10 and click OK. So next is change the row height to 24 is the first row is the 24. So change the row height, select the first row, right click and click the row height is 24 and click OK. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is pivot table helps you analyze different perspective of a data. You will create a pivot table using the sale data worksheet and display the sale data worksheet. Create a blank pivot table on the new worksheet and name the new worksheet is pivot table and name the pivot table average city prices. So display the sale data worksheets. So select the sale data worksheet and next is create a blank pivot table on the new worksheet and name the new worksheet is the pivot table and name the pivot table is the average city prices. So display the sale data worksheet and next is create the blank pivot table on the new worksheets. So go to the insert tabs and go to the table groups, click the recommended pivot tables, click the blank pivot table and next is create a blank pivot table on the new worksheet and name the new worksheet is pivot table. So name the new worksheet as pivot tables. So right click and click the rename as pivot tables Name the worksheet is pivot table, and next is name the pivot table is the average city prices. So name the pivot table. So go to the pivot table list and click the pivot tables, and pivot table name is average city price. So question number 7 is complete, and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is part of the process is arranging and rearranging fields to provide the perspective to represent the data best. In addition, you want to display the average value instead of the total value, and place the city field in the row and selling agent field column, and asking price and selling price field to the value area. For the two value field, display the average rather than the sum of a counting number format with the 0 decimal places, and pivot the data by placing the city field below the value fields in the column area, and moving the selling agents field to the row area. So next is place the city field to the row area. So city field, move and drag to the row area, and next is selling agent field to the column area. So next is selling agent field to the column area, selling agent field to the column area, and next is and then asking price and selling price to the value area. So next is asking price and asking price and selling price to the value area. So asking price to the value area, and next is selling price field to the value area, selling price to the value area, and next is for the two value, display the average rather than sum without a counting number format and 0 decimal places. For the two value, display the average rather than sum a counting number format with the 0 decimal places. So sum of asking price to the average, and click the number format, a counting number format, and 0 decimal places, click OK, and again OK. And next is sum of selling price to average of selling price, number format and counting number format, click OK, and again OK. So display the for two value field, display the average and sum counting number format with the 0 decimal places. And next is pivot the data by placing city field below the value area and column area, or moving to the selling agent to the row area. So city field city field below the value field in the column area, city field to the below the column area, and next is moving the selling agent to the row area, selling agent to the row area. So selling agent to the row area, and next is at the top of the agent column, use the sort and filter arrow to sort the agent in alphabetical orders, and if necessary. At the top of the agent column, so the top of the agent column, so top of the agent column, and sort and filter arrow, and sort the agent in alphabetical orders. sort the agent in alphabetically orders. So next is, so question number 8 is complete, and we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is, so question number 9 is, now you want to focus the real estate so next is add a filter to focus on the real estate data only 2 cities, and add the filter to in cell B3. So select the B3, and next is and display only Alpine and Cedar Hills. So display only so select the alls, and next is Alpine and Cedar Hills. So Alpine and Cedar Hills, and click OK. So question number 9 is complete, and we move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is, go back to sale data worksheet and you realize to selling price is incorrect, and change the selling price of number 14 from the 14, and refresh the pivot tables. So change the selling price numbers and go to the sale data worksheets. So go to the sale data worksheet, and 14 number 14 number 14 numbers, and change the value and refresh the pivot tables, and go to the pivot tables and click the pivot table analyze, and next is refresh the all pivot tables. So question number 10 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So I have done the assignment. Save and close the Exp25 Excel chapter 5 ML1 real estate. Exit the Excel file and submit the file directorates. So save the assignments. So save the assignments and Exp25 Excel chapter 5 ML1 real estates. Click the save, and next is upload the assignment and check the score. Close the Excel files, and upload the Excel files and check the score. In Exp25 Excel chapter 5 ML1 real estates, and click the opens and click upload. So upload the assignment and check the score. So you can see the current score is 91%. In Exp25 Excel chapter 5 ML1 real estate, its current score is 91%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, fine arts, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and year exam. So you can see the current score is 91%.